Welcome back, children. This is Srinivasan here. We are discussing question number 9 of exercise 1.2 relations and functions chapter. The question says f of the function defined from natural numbers to natural numbers. We know natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4. There is no negative number, no decimals, nothing. Defined by f of n is equal to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd, n by 2 if n is even. So natural numbers can be only even number or an odd number. That's it. So for all n belongs to n, state whether 1 to 1, on to or bijective. You have to prove that whether it is an, you have to show that whether it is 1 1 2, 1 to 1 or on to or bijective. Let us start. Choose letter. Two numbers will choose. Let x1, comma x2 belongs to your domain n. Okay. Now let us choose x1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 2. Let us take f of x1, which means f of 1. So 1 is an odd number. Odd number function is n plus 1 by 2. So 1 plus 1 by 2 because I substituted n as 1. So 2 by 2 which is equal to 1. Now next f of x2, f of 2. So 2 by 2 because when n is even you have to choose n by 2 function. So 2 by 2 which is equal to 1. So we see that f of 1 is 2, f of 2 f of 1 is 1, f of 2 is also 1. So f of 1 is equal to f of 2. But 1 is not equal to 2, right? So two elements are having the same images. So it is not 1 to 1. Therefore, f is not 1 to 1 function. Okay, children. That's why I took x1 as 1 and x2 as 2. On seeing that, we can understand 2 by 2 is 1. Okay, children. Next, on to function. Okay, let us assume this as let x belongs to the domain. Now this question f of x equals x plus 1 by 2. Okay, let us take this as y. Solve this for x. 2y equals x plus 1. X is equal to 2y minus 1. Now you substitute in this given equation expression. F of 2y minus 1 is equal to 2y minus 1 plus 1 by 2. Minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. This is equal to y. Okay, children. So what can you understand from this one? I have taken x as odd. Okay. X as odd. When x is odd. The same is the case. You have to say when x is even. So let x belongs to n. Here x is even number. The same function I am going to take it as f of x equal to n by 2. I am going to take it as x by 2. So y is equal to x by 2. X is equal to 2y. Now substitute in your expression f of 2y. F of 2y is equal to 2y by 2. 2 gets cancelled, y. So for every x belongs to n, there exists an y in the codomain. So which means it is onto function. Okay, children. Let us start. Let us continue that. For every y belongs to n, I mean the codomain, there exists an x belongs to n. Here I mean domain. There I meant codomain. So for every codomain, there exists an element in the domain such that f of x equals y. This is what we have proved. F of x is equal to y we have proved. Can you understand? F of x equals y. This is the same we have proved here. So as we have proved it, then f is onto function. This is the rule for onto function. For every y belongs to n, the codomain, there should exist an element. That means it has to be an image of some element in the domain. So for f is onto function. So this is not 1 to 1, not 1 to 1, but onto. Even then, this is not a the function f is not an bijective function, because if it has to be bijective function, it has to be 1 to 1 and it has to be onto. So it is not possible. This completes the solution, children.